Assalamu alaikum class 7. How are you all? I hope you all are doing great and safe at your home. So very first I wish you a very happy new year class. So today we have 6th of January 2023 and the day is Friday. Fine? So who will first of all tell me what we have done in our previous lesson? Yes, Wahab, you tell me please. Okay, very fine. We have done in our previous lesson which is related to triangles. So who will first of all tell me what do you know about triangles? So as you all know class, we have a triangle. We will simply draw first of all like this. Fine, I am going to name at their edges. These points are known as vertices, which is the plural form, the singular form of vertex. Fine. The corners of this triangle known as vertex, and these are edges. Fine. So we have a triangle in which we will name 3 corners as A, B and C, and edges are also 3. In triangle 3 sides and 3 angles also are present in a triangle. We have run in our previous lesson. Now we have also discussed 3 of its types. The very first one we have discussed is scalene triangle. Yes, who will tell me what do you know about scalene triangle? Yes, Muhammad, you tell me please. Very good. In scalene triangle, none of the side is equal. Fine. एक भी जो side है इसमें equal नहीं होती. So we will simply write as all sides are unequal. ठीक है? In this type of triangle which will named as scalene, all sides are unequal. Now what we have the next type which is isosceles triangle. Yes, who will tell me what do you know about isosceles? Yes, Wahab, you tell me please. Isosceles triangle. Very good. In this triangle, we have 2 sides and 2 angles are equal. Fine. And the third one is not equal. So, in shortly, I am going to write 2 sides are equal. Two sides are equal. In this triangle, 2 sides are equal and 2 angles are also equal. Fine. And the third one which I have also discussed as what we have named, what we will named as, yes, very good, equilateral. So who will tell me what do you know about equilateral triangle? Yes, Ubed, you tell me please. Very good. In this triangle we have 3 sides are equal. As you know, in a triangle we have 3 sides in total and 3 of them are equal because there is a word used here as equilateral. So equilateral means equal. 3 of the sides are equal. So I am going to write 3 sides are equal. Fine. 3 sides are equal. So in the end we have three types of triangle we have discussed in our previous lesson. The very first one is scalene triangle, the second is isosceles, and the third one is equilateral. Fine. Now moving towards its question, we have a question: find the value of unknown in each of the following figures. So exercise number 11A, and the question number will 3. Find the value of unknown of the following. Fine. So I am going to draw a figure. First of all, I have a figure like this. Here I will got a name which is A, B and C. At here we have a right angle which is equals to 90 degree. At here we have an interior angle which is unknown actually, and we will named as here A degree. And at edge of A, the interior angle will be 39 degree according to the statement. Now we have to find the unknown from here. So what is the procedure to find out? Who will tell me? If you remember, I told you a thing. The interior angle sum must be equals to 180 degree. So as you look class, we have three angles in total. It doesn't matter. You have unknown or known. Fine. You will simply take the sum of all the interior angles, and it sum must be equals to 180 degree. So according to condition, we have a procedure. So you will simply look here, A degree. A degree plus 39 degree plus there is an angle, but it is not given, but we will simply assume because there is exact a straight line, but it represents 90 degree. Fine. So according to condition, the sum of all interior angles must be 180 degree, like this. A degree you will write as it is 90 plus 39. After addition we got 129. So I am going to write 129 degree here, 180 degree you will write here. Fine. I am going to repeat it. You have to be look very carefully. According to condition, when we have three angles are given which are interior, and we have to find the unknown angle in between. So you will simply add, and there is a question related to triangle. So you will simply add all the numbers, all the angles. It doesn't matter you have known or unknown. You will simply add all the angles, and its sum must be equals to 180 degree. After addition, the known angles at the left hand side you got 129 degree, and on the opposite side there is sum which is equals to 180 degree. So as you look, there are two sides. On left hand side you got A degree plus 129 degree, and on the other side you have 180 degree. So what will be the next step? Who will tell me? Now as you look, there is a sign at the left hand side is plus 129 which is extra here, but according to the algebraic expression, when there is an extra number on the left hand side, so we will shift on the other side because we have to find the unknown value. So here we have unknown value which is A degree. I am going to shift 129 on the other side. After shifting on the other side, we have use a inverse relationship here. A degree as it is On the other side, which is on right hand side, we have 180 degree. You will write as it is, and plus 129. After shifting to the left right hand side, you got 129 degree, because here we have plus sign, but we have used inverse relation. We have to shift on the other side, so there is minus sign here. So simply I am going to subtract it. 0 from 9, it is not possible, so I will take a carry from the next number, and this will become 10. So 10 minus 1 is 1, and we have left here, because we will take a carry from 8, and we have left is 7. So 7 minus 2 is 5. So 8 degree equals to 51 degree. Clear? I am going to repeat my words. You have to be listen very carefully. We have a question in which find the value of unknown of the following. We have a triangle in which 3 corners, which is A, B and C, and interior angles are given. One of them is unknown, but 2 of them are given. The very first one, which is 90 degree, and the other one is 39 degree and 8 degree. So simply after doing the whole, we got 51 in the end. Fine. So class, I have another triangle in which A, B and C. Fine. And 3 of the sides are equal, and we have only one angle which is given, which is F degree. So what type of triangle we have in which 3 sides are given, 3 sides are equal. So who will tell me, when 3 sides are equal, so what kind of triangle we have? Who will tell me? Yes, Adya, you tell me please. Very good. We have equilateral triangle. So in equilateral triangle, if you remember, the all sides and all angles are equal. ठीक है? सब sides और सब angles इसमें कौन से होते हैं? Equal होते हैं. So I am going to write its procedure. F degree. We have only one angle is given. So it, as you look, there is equilateral triangle. This angle and this angle, which relates to interior angle, all angles are equal. So F degree यहाँ पे भी होगा, F यहाँ पे भी होगा, and F यहाँ पे भी होगा. So I have to write F degree 3 times. And its sum must be equals to 180 degree. Fine. As you look, 3 F's are in total. So I am going to write 3 F degree, and its sum must be equal to 180 degree. Now as you look, there is a relationship used here, which is 3 and F. Who will tell me what kind of it? कौन सा relationship यहाँ पे use हो रहा है 3 and F के दरमियान में? What is the relationship represents in between of 3 and F? Very good. Multiplication. So the inverse relationship of multiplication is division. We will shift 3 at the other side like this. Now simply we will cut it on the table of 3. As you know, 3 1 times 3, 3 6 times 18, and 0 as it is. So F degree will become 60 degree. This F degree of 60, here we have an angle which is 60, and here we have also angle which equals to 60. So its mean its sum is 180 degree. 60 plus 60, 120, and 120 plus 60 is 180 degree. Fine. According to condition class, we have first of all, as you look, here is a triangle in which 3 sides are equal. I am going to repeat my words. You have to listen very carefully. 3 sides are given and which are equal, because this is a triangle which represents equilateral. And only one angle is given, but this is relates to equilateral triangle. So we will simply consider or assume as the remaining of 2 angles will also be F degree. Okay? So the condition will become 3 times of F, and its sum must be equals to 180 degree. Now after addition 3 times of F, we have 3F degree, and its sum must be equals to 180 degree. As you look, there is a relationship used here which is 3 and f in between, which is multiplication. At the other side we have only 180 degree. So we will shift 3 at the other side because we want only f degree. After shifting we use a inverse relationship here, which is division actually. So let's take another example. We have class, we have a triangle in which three sides are given like this: A, B and C. Fine. And the angle we have here we have D degree, 3D degree and 4D degree. Okay, the three interior angles we have given. So according to condition, when we have a triangle, the interior angles sum must be equals to 180 degree. We have done this. So first angle we have D degree, second we have is 4D degree, and the third we have 3D degree, and its sum will we have 180 degree. Okay, D degree, 4 degree, 3 degree, and its sum must be equals to 180 degree. So 3 plus 4 is 7, and 7 plus 1, there is no any number, so we will assume 1 here. Okay, we will assume 1 here. So 3 plus 4 is 7, and 7 plus 1 is 8. So 8 D degree here at the left hand side, and equal to we have 180 degree on the right hand side. This is a condition you have to apply when you have to solve the triangles questions. You have to remember one thing in your mind: the interior angles sum must be equal to 180 degree. So in the end, as you look, there is a relation in between 8 and D is multiplication sign. हमारे पास यहाँ पे कौन सा रिलेशनशिप यूज हो रहा है? मल्टीप्लिकेशन का, बट वी डोंट वांट D with 8. So what would we do? हम क्या करेंगे? We will simply shift to the other side. After shifting, we have this kind of step, 180 by 80. So we will divide it 8 two times. As you look, we will not take us only a single number because 1 is smaller than 8. So we will take two numbers. We will divide on the table of 8 and become the nearest number we will take, which is 18. I will read the table of 8. After reading, I got 8 two times is 16. Fine. So the next procedure will become, next step will become 8 minus 6. After subtraction, 8 into 6, we got 2. And we will bring down, why I will bring down 0 here? Because 2 is smaller than 8, and this is the procedure. We will bring down the next number, which is 2 here. Now again I will read the table of 8. 2 3 times is 24, which is greater than 20. So I will take 2 times again, 16. I will take a carry from the next number, and this will become 10. So 10 minus 6 is 4. Now 4 we have smaller than 8. So I will simply take a point here, and on the basis of point we got 0. Now again we will read the table of 8 to get the nearest number, which is 40. So 8 5 times is 40. Fine. In the end we have D degree, which is equals to 22.5 degree. I am going to repeat my words. You have to listen very carefully. As you look, there is a triangle in which three angles are given: D degree, 4D degree and 3D degree. We will, because this is a question related to triangle, so we will take a sum of all three angles, and its sum must be equals to 180 degree. After addition, we got on the left hand side is 8D degree, and on the right hand side we have 180 degree. So after, as you look, there is D with 8. This is not suitable, there is not looking good here, so we only want the unknown angle at one side. So the extra things what we have at the left hand side, we will shift to the other side. So there is a use of, we will simply use inverse relationship here. Fine. After using inverse relationship, we have 8 in dividend denominator. We will divide it, and after division we got 22.5 degree, which is D degree. तो D degree क्या आपके पास आया 22.5. So these are the question which related to triangles. You have to complete all the parts which belongs to question number 3 in your notebook. If you find any difficulty related to this, you can ask me. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.